Graphic Design Manager for Masondogg Academy of Technologies. I'll be teaching you various digital art concepts. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how to download Procreate brushes. Procreate brushes are so important because of course you can do a lot with the brushes Procreate has to offer, but when you're customizing your own brushes or downloading ones that other creators have made, it can like advance your art way more and make it easier for you to work with, especially if you're a beginner to Procreate and just learning how to use the app itself. So downloading Procreate brushes can seem like really hard if you're first starting, but honestly it's really easy. So for example, a couple places you could look for Procreate brushes are Pinterest. So basically, if you're on Pinterest and you're looking for Procreate brushes, you can just go to search and basically just search up Procreate brushes. And then there's like ones you can buy. There's a lot on Etsy of ones you can buy from different digital art creators, but if you're beginning and you just want to get used to Procreate and not necessarily buy something right away, it's okay. You can just search up free Procreate brushes. So for this video, I'm just going to do a quick brush setting. You can do any really. I'm just going to do the hair brushes since it's like one of the first ones I saw. So Gumroad is the best. It has so many Procreate brushes, and you can like really filter out the ones that are more expensive versus the free ones. So I like using Gumroad when I'm doing it like that. So basically, you're just gonna search it up and then search up Gumroad Procreate brushes. So just search up Gumroad Procreate brushes, Gumroad, and then you can just honestly click on the search results for it, or you can, if you see any like, you can do that. So for the maximum price, you're just gonna set this to the amount you're willing to pay. For this video, I'm just gonna do it set to 0, so I can just show y'all a quick tutorial. So basically, you're just gonna look through the brushes and then find one you want to download. So I'll quickly just show y'all I'm gonna get one that's more catered and easy to see. Oh, and as you can see, on Gumroad, they have a lot of Procreate brush stamps, and it's really easy to make those. I'll show you how to make stamp brushes in another video. But for now, I'll just quickly grab a brush. I'm gonna do this brush. So to download it, you're just gonna put the mouse, click that, and then you're gonna enter your email really quickly. And then this, you're gonna get an email with your purchase, or you can just click the link and then download it right here. You're just gonna download it, and then you're gonna open it in your files. So I'm gonna just save this to either files right there. And then I have a section for all my Procreate brushes, so I'm just going to save it in here, right here, save it. And then you're going to go to your Procreate app, and you're going to open up any canvas, it doesn't really matter. And you're going to go to your brushes, and then you're going to click the plus. And with this, you're going to click the import button, and then you go into where you downloaded the brush, and you just click it. And it'll automatically import it. So the one I downloaded was a set. Usually if you don't have a set, they're automatically going to download into just like untitled category, and it'll usually be down at the bottom. But since this one downloaded in the set, all of them are right here. So basically, I'll just show you like quickly one of the brushes. So this is what this one's like, and then there's more. So yeah, this is really cool, like learning how to download Procreate brushes, because they can be really helpful, especially if you're in a rush and you just want to stamp a tree really quickly, for like if you're doing a comic, for example, and you just want a quick tree background. Also, I'm going to show y'all how to do the one on Pinterest, since I was going to show y'all that first anyway. Since it's Gumroad anyway, you're just going to click visit on Pinterest, and you're going to click on, I'm actually going to copy the link so it's easier to see on here. So you're just going to copy the link, open it in your browser, and visit. So this is actually a post by Gumroad itself, so you can just look and search through any of these. I'm not really sure. There's these watercolor brush back ones, so I'll look at those. Or y'all. I'll also look for other ones. Pixel art, that's a really cool one. Here's the hair one, I'm pretty sure we saw. Here's the nature one I was talking about. I'll actually get that one. I'll go look at that one, because I was talking about how if you wanted to stamp a tree. Oh, this water one also looks really good. So, and then this one. So you're just going to come here and open these up. So basically, you're going to click the free version and enter the amount. Click I want this. Do the same thing you did before. Enter your email. Blah, blah, blah. And then click view content, or you can also go to your email to download it, but I'm just going to click view content and download it, and then see, there's the email right there, and then click open in, and then you're going to save it to your files, the Procreate one. And then I'm just going to go into Procreate, do the same thing I did, click the little plus button, import, and then click the brushes. Oh, this is important for this one. This one's a zip file, so you're gonna have to go to files and unzip it. I'm glad that happened, actually. So yeah, basically it just unzipped real quick, and they're all right there. And then now I can go back in, go to Procreate. Oh, it's probably in one of here. I gotta see. Let me go look on what file it was in. It's in the Chrome file. So yeah, you're just gonna go here, import, go to Chrome, scroll down, click Hazelon, and then click the things, and they should import. I'm not sure. They import? I'm gonna do it again for y'all, I wasn't sure if they imported. Okay, now they imported. So these are the brushes. I'm pretty sure it's these. Yeah, these are them. And then yeah, this is what we got. So yeah, Procreate brushes are really important. They help you elevate your art, honestly. If you're going for a certain art style, Procreate brushes can be really important in what you're doing, and they can just make your art look better in general. So downloading Procreate brushes, I highly recommend, especially if you're going to be buying ones that are free. But do support the artists, because these brushes are amazing and they're so good, and they honestly help so much. So yeah, just try to support the artist if you can and buy the brushes. Also, there's so many good ones you can find on Etsy. Etsy has a lot of brushes. Honestly, if you want, here this house, you could look up Procreate brushes on. Gumroad, Google Chrome in general, just make sure it's a trusted website before you download anything off of there. Etsy and Pinterest. Those are the 4 I mainly use to get Procreate brushes, and they're so helpful. So yeah, I highly recommend getting Procreate brushes if you're first starting and you want to get used to the app as a whole. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, my name is Lolita. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the red button and the little bell to get notifications on our next video. And don't forget to leave comments, like, and check out our website at www.masondoggaot.com. Bye!